Good morning, Buggy. Morning. I see you. Mommy is going into work this morning for a little bit, so just feeding her some breakfast. And Daddy just only has to work at one job today, so we're so happy and thankful. And apparently overnight it like hold on. Would not let go of the bread bag. Apparently overnight it like snowed a little and rained or sleeted, but so it's like icy snow out there. Just mostly on the cars and everything, not on the roads, but he still had to go into work. I don't know what the heck you're gonna do at a landscaping job when there's snow and ice everywhere, but he went, so I'm only gonna be at work for a little bit, and then I come home and I cuddle the baby. Yeah, I cuddle her. Ooh. Oh, Mommy got you some bread. Yummy, yummy. Let's see the monkey.
What's he doing?
One day I came in like that and I was like hopping like a bunny. I'd be like,
Mommy's goofy.
she's like, what is that?
Mommy's goofy. Come here.
I love it when I see my mommy and daddy. Hi.
Outside.
Hi. Mommy missed you. Mommy missed you. Mommy's gonna wear these shoes to work. I would totally wear these. Maybe like if they didn't have the strap right there. But if they had the bow and the gold, I would wear them.
Anyway.
Probably. I might try to fit into the largest size. Probably like a
I don't even know what
6.
to do with myself not having to go down.
You can spend time with us.
I'm supposed to practice later, so that's cool. Get that out of the way. Maybe record that song you wanted to hear.
I wanted to go to a practice. That was what was going to be my goal.
I could have my mom.
Yeah, but now I gotta do that other thing.
And it's not until 7, so.
Yeah, I'd rather. I don't know. At the same time, I don't want to go out there in the cold.
Yeah, it's fucking freezing.
And I'm such a wimp. I'd have to come out in like. I'd have to come out in like a snowsuit. You silly butt. It's your shoe. You're not supposed to do that. What? Daddy's got your blankie? Daddy's got your blankie. Hang on. Give me my blankie. It's mine. I gotta button her. So Lily just handed me some stuff. Thank you. Oh, look at all this. She's pulling everything out of Daddy's wallet. Aww. Why don't we take Daddy's wallet and put it up here where Daddy can piece it back together? What'd you think? What'd you think? Daddy's doing the dishes for you and all you can do is take apart his money. Now I'm gonna help put stuff away. Put it in the drawer, baby. Put it over here. In here. Put it in the drawer. No? She shook her head and ran the other way. It's mine. I want to do something with it. Whatever that it is that you don't want me to do. Yeah. 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 Daddy loves washing hands in this shallow sink. It's like the worst thing ever. So annoying.
Highlight of my day.
That's what happens when you run with two things in your hands. You can't smell this, but it smells kind of good. I think it's it says white Christmas, but I don't know what the heck it smells like. My kind of like pepperminty. Weird. We gotta get Lorelai up, and then Daddy has practice. He's still wearing his work shirt because he's a weirdo. Cold. We gotta figure out what to do for dinner, what to make with it. Give me that.
Nope. Ah!
Goose! Goose. You know what?
Goose.
You should
What now?
You should act like that one guy on his vlogs. He's like, yo.
Yo, what up, y'all? You know what it be. So we just here, we hanging out, y'all. We just about to wake up the baby, young, because she's upstairs and she been sleeping too long.
That's exactly what he does. Like, how did you do that so well?
You shall receive.
Thus, on this great and joyous day, did all the kingdom celebrate the long-awaited royal birth. And good King Stephen and his queen made welcome their lifelong friend.
The Royal Highnesses.
Somebody was just dancing to whatever that song was they're marching to.
One day, their
Hail to the Princess Lorelai! Hail to the Princess Lorelai! And she was clapping. We're watching Sleeping Beauty. Sleeping Beauty.
Sleeping Beauty. And looked unknowing on his future bride.
Ooh, look at him.
Oh, wow. He kind of cute. Are you a little mover? And a shaker. A move and a shake. Like Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
I'm a lounger. See?
Mommy sits on Daddy. Lily sit on Daddy too.
Nope.
Come on, let's weigh him down.
Ooh. Look, baby.
Ooh. Good girl, almost. Get it? Like this. Good girl.
You eat it. Oh, you did.
Get Daddy. Get him. Get Daddy. Get him. Get him. Get him. She gets deliriously tired right before bedtime. Everything is hilarious.
What are you doing?
She doesn't know. No, she's gonna whack you with a pillow. Aw, good girl.
Just got to Alluvion practice. I'll be busy for a little while. I'll check up with you later. So it's 10:30, and as you can hear from my voice, I just got back from band practice. We had a late night tonight. We were tightening up some songs, and also my guitarist pulled a new song out of thin air over the last week that he had been working on, and it's pretty awesome. So we worked on that for a little while. And I'm sure Natalie's not going to be too happy with it because it's like 10:30 now. But, and our day's over. But it's once a week, and she enjoys the band, the music that we make anyway, so I think it'll be okay. So now that I'm home and everything's put away and Lorelai's asleep, it's time to spend some quality time before we both pass out. So let's go see what she's doing. She's at the computer. She doesn't want to be bothered. I got Natalie a surprise while I was out. She's not allowed to see what it is yet. But I'll show you guys what it is. Ooh, the classic chocolate lovers. She's been craving a lot of chocolate lately, so I think that might get me out of the doghouse for being late. And before band practice, we sat with Lorelai and we watched Sleeping Beauty for the first time. That's a gift that my mom got Lorelai months ago, and she just was too young to sit and like pay attention really for longer than like 10 minutes at a time. So it was cool sitting with her on the couch and actually watching. She still didn't make it through even a quarter of the movie before she lost interest, but she was locked in, and they were singing a song in the beginning about like, was it Hail Princess Aurora or something? And she was clapping and singing and dancing, so it was super cute. We've got the first gifts under the tree. We got the rest of the night
Which is like
for quality time. And Mommy got her first Christmas present. An entire box of chocolate donuts.
And I might eat one of each.
Go for it. I get the other one of each.
I just need like
So-
wait, did you get milk?
Yeah, I got milk too.
Yes.
Yeah,
So,
milk
like-
and chocolate donuts.
Yes.
Say goodnight.
Good night.
You should have a milk mustache while you say goodnight.
I could have a donut mustache.
Let's see it.
Well, I can't.
There it is. And I guess this is the part of the vlog where we say goodnight. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.